This 2 days workshop on beekeeping. Presently, after all the turbulence, violence, and all the disturbances, I am thankful to KVK Bishnupur that they could organize this 2 days beekeeping workshop with all the participants. It's a full house. I could see that. So a big hand to everyone, for all of us. Let's bless us and let's appreciate our endeavor and also the efforts. I sincerely believe, in fact, Professor Moilal Maite was asking me, how do you find Manipur? I said, sir, this is one of the best places you can ever have, minus the disturbances, whatever we do face from time to time. Otherwise, there is an enormous scope, enormous potential in agriculture and agriculture allied activities. In fact, I am also thankful to Sri Choba Singh ji. He also said the same thing, and I think that is precisely our Moinal sir has discussed, I think, during his speech. So, beekeeping is one of the traditional activities in agriculture and agriculture allied activities. And Manipur has abundance of flora and fauna. So, I sincerely believe beekeeping or honey is supposedly one of the best alternative for rural income or enhancing the additional income or the present income what you have. There is absolutely no doubt about that. So keeping that in mind, I think the Manipur natural environment, whatever we have presently, the biodiversity what we have, the flora and fauna which we have, it can flourish to whatever level today is. I think it can be at least twofold or threefold. And once you do that, once we go ahead with the beekeeping, processing of beekeeping or honey, I think it has an enormous scope. I'll tell you why. There are few reasons why I am saying all this. Firstly, let me give you a perspective of honey and beekeeping in Manipur. I think there are, I do not know whether you know this or not. I come from a such part of Calcutta, that is South 24 Pargana or North 24 Pargana. It is surrounded by Sundarbans. Still, as on date, it is world's one of the best biodiversity forest, so to say, world's, not only India. So it has more than 100 and 115 species of flora and fauna, which is not available even in Amazon forest. So in Sundarban, the major livelihood besides fishing and other activities is beekeeping. And Sundarban honey is supposedly one of the best honeys, though the best honey happens to be from Uttar Pradesh, but again, since it is mostly all organic, most of the flora and fauna, but now again it is changing. But the Sundarban honey is supposedly one of the best honeys. They have varieties of honey, right? So generally, during our childhood days, we used to hear that it is the mustard honey, which is the best. But now you have a range of honey which is available in the market, and also the farmers are also coming forward to adopt or adapt such kind of behavioral changes or the taste of the people.